All right, Kerry, mash the accelerator. Go ahead. Let's see. Oh, wow, what a difference. Everybody was expecting the part 2 of the 2015 Toyota Corolla Fielder wagon. This vehicle, you guys remember when we went to diagnose, it was having a problem with the transmission, already fixed. It was having a problem with the engine, worse. Remember, we diagnosed, we cleaned the injectors, we cleaned the EGR, everything. But once we scoped the vehicle inside, we realized that inside the engine, one of the cylinders, or many of the cylinders, scratch as hell. What happened? A 4-in-use engine, actually right here locally, they're very affordable. Mash the accelerator again, let's see. You don't even notice it. That's it. So this was a diagnostic. If you want to know more, stick around for notice. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Hybrid vehicles with engine with low compression will give you a horrible rattling noise. Bye-bye.